Hey YouTube, and thanks for watching Junkworks Garage. Well, if you're like me and you just don't care and you're not going to get rid of these kind of gas cans, but every one of them these things are busted off on, then you can, at least as the time I found these, order these little boogers up here. And they're super easy to change if yours already comes with one. I've heard of people modifying newer ones to these, which to each their own on that. And even with this, you're responsible. If you do anything I do and you hurt yourself or somebody else, I'm not responsible. If you don't like the way I'm doing something, don't do it. But I'm going to pop these out. I got this little Harbor Freight pick here. I'm going to go ahead and pop this out. It was pretty easy on the last one. I've done a couple now, and just kind of go around and try and pull this out against itself here. And this one's being, obviously, because I'm doing it on camera, a little bit harder than the other one, although I do think this is a little bit newer jug here. Obviously you don't want to tear it any more than you have to as far as the hole is concerned here. So I'm going to grab in here, try and pry it out. Last one popped out just by grabbing a hold of it with the inside there. This one seems to want to be a little bit more of a pain. Yet again, because I'm on video. There we go. Now the last one also went in really easy. We'll have to see if this one does. Something I wish I would have done on the last one was actually take this and pull it out a little bit. Make sure it's, because it was kind of pushed in on the other one. Here's the other one. As you can see, it's definitely older and more degraded. But they still hold gas. And then you just take your new little baggie of these, grab a new one. I got several of these I'm going to do. I got some newer ones I'm going to try and modify. We'll see how well that goes. And push that in there, and you got a new vent right there. So, super simple project. I obviously made it look a little harder than it needed to be. But now you can keep these a little bit longer and they will work, and you don't have to worry about either losing it. I had one of these, I had lost it. The other one, as you saw in this one, had broke off, so I just didn't have one anymore, and so I hadn't been using this one very much, and it's actually in a lot better shape. So there you go. Now you know. Now get out there and get your junk working. Thanks for watching Junkworks Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.